Okay, well this is a quick tutorial on how to align Hebrew lines of text with text boxes in Microsoft Word. So in Logos, I have my Hebrew Bible open. I'm going to go to Tools, type in Copy, and then the Copy Bible Verses tool comes up. Copy Bible Verses. Okay, so it already has my defaults, but I'm going to do a whole chapter, Judges 7, make sure it's from the BHS. I'm just going to do copy. So moving over to Microsoft Word, I'm going to insert a table. So the left is going to be my Hebrew text. I'm going to paste, keeping source formatting. But I don't like that extra space, so I'm going to try to select this whole text box here. Let's see. Go to the top. Yeah, so this whole text box, and then I'm going to go to paragraph, and then remove space after paragraph from the dropdown. Okay, so this middle is going to be my discourse analysis boxes. So it doesn't need to be very big. And then I'll leave room for the English text on the right-hand side. So I'm going to put a little bit, some blank line breaks, so just with enter. Now I'm going to insert a, where's my shape? Illustration shapes text boxes. And make a small text box. Okay, that's a little bit too small. I'm going to make the text a little smaller, maybe 9 point, so that shows up in there. And just make sure I have space for a few letters. Okay. So now I'm going to drag it to make sure the anchor is in the right place. So that's about where I want it to be. Now I'm going to use the arrow keys to adjust it a little bit more so it's in line with the line that I want it to be in line with. Okay, so that looks fine. So now I'm going to hold the Shift key and select the line and pressing left once. So if I press copy, then I can paste, 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 just as many pastes as I want. And or I could just hold the V, Control V, and then it should paste to the end of my document or whatever. Then I can shift, select back to here, and then delete the extra ones that I don't want. So that's a way to add them. If I want to select all of them, or a lot of them, I can say editing, select objects. So this will make it so I can just select some text boxes. And so I can just select all of them. So if I want to move them left a little bit, for example, I could just hit the left key a few times and that'll move them all together. Okay, well that was the short tutorial. Hope it's helpful.